Hi there, welcome to my bedroom tour. Come on in. On your way in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Come with me. Oh, I don't have a cameraman. Okay, so when you come into my room, the first thing you see is, let me start from behind the door. So when you close my door, first thing you see is believe in yourself, because why not? Then on the left is this wall. Let me step back so you guys can see it. So the frames I got from Dollar Tree. So this was $1, this was $1, and then the pictures inside I actually got as a gift from some kids. This love thingy was from Dollar Tree too, so it was just $1. And these mirrors were from my old house. If you watched my old video, you probably recognize it. I'm sure you're asking what this spot here is. I was thinking of painting it black, and so I sprayed it and decided to change my mind, and then I just left it like that. And then if you come a little bit lower, you realize I have like a plantation thing going on there. So I got the wall sticker from Shein for like a very cheap price. I'm going to link the link down below in the description box, but I got that from Shein. So moving forward, if you move right, that's my closet door. We're going to come to the closet at the end of the tour. But then entering my room, the first thing you see is this mirror. I just got this up yesterday, and these lights, I'm actually going to put them here so that when I'm taking mirror selfies, there's light shining on me, But I got this mirror for free. Somebody gave it to me as a gift. I'm loved. Most of the things in my room I actually got for free. Now moving on, we have the bed sets, which again somebody gave to me because why not? But then it's a set, the bed frame, no, not the frame, the bed head, the side drawers, the dresser on this side of the room, which we'll come to later. Yeah, and also the lamp. All these were given to me, so actually I didn't have to spend a dime on this part of the room. Now moving on to my bed. That's not my teddy bear. I actually stole that from my roommate for the purpose of this video. I was like, nah, my bed looks too empty, so why not just steal her teddy bear? Its name is Fendi, by the way. I don't know if it's a he or a she. But then I got my duvet cover from Shein. I actually feel like I actually wasted money on this purchase because it was $42, which is too expensive for me. I thought it was going to come with small pillows and everything, but it just came with the pillowcases, which I did not like, I was kind of pissed about. But then I bought silk pillowcases because I'm trying to be bougie and also trying to save my natural hair. If you look upwards above the bed frame, there is a heart thingy going on there. I got that from Shein, and I got the believe in yourself too from Shein, because why not? When I walk into my room, I want that to be the first thing I see after having a stressful day at work. Believe in yourself, because I need to believe in myself. It can get hard sometimes. So now let's move to the opposite side of the bed. What do I see when I wake up? Just that big dresser mirror situation thing going on there. It's a set, so it matches the bed head. Don't know what that thing's called. I just keep calling it head. So this again came with the bed head, so I technically got it for free from someone, and actually appreciate it. Thank you so much. But you see, if I look at myself in the mirror, I can try to see the whole background of my room. These are the only things I keep on here. This is my piggy bank, which currently has just $1 inside and a few cents. And then this is my perfume rack. Half of the perfume here, everything is finished. Okay, this one is Marc Jacobs, which I got for free too. This one is I don't know, but I got it for free too, and 90% of them are almost finished. And I have these little samples here. So I just keep everything right there, so it's within reach. When I finish dressing, I could just put them on. Now my bed frame, I got it from Amazon. As you guys know, I'm going to link the video where I assembled it up, so you guys can actually go watch it and probably buy it. I got it for a very cheap price. It was just $75, and yes, I'm enjoying it after months of using it. So now this is my office corner. This is what I like to refer to as my office corner because it's my office corner. So let's start from the chair. This chair has, yeah, it's broken. Thanks for letting me know. But this chair has a very funny story actually. I got this chair from the dumpster. I went to take out my trash one day and then I saw this beautiful, amazing chair just sitting out there feeling lonely. And then it had some dirt on it. So I just, brought it upstairs and cleaned it, which is something I think everybody else would do. Yeah, no, I don't think anybody else is going to do that. But that's how I got that chair. So it's a bit broken, but then I don't even weigh that much. So yeah, that's risky. But till I get another chair, this is doing it for me. And then to the right side of my wall, I have this monthly planner. I got this from Daiso for just about $5 or below. I think $4 or $5. So I use this to plan my month. Currently, I've not planned anything because it's still beginning of August. So that's why I've not planned anything. And then in yellow here is the bills I pay. So I remember to pay them. I just wrote them there. And then my notes, what I need to do. But most times, what I actually use is my other planner, which we'll get to in a minute. So now this is my study table and my office table. I don't know if you guys remember a video I made. I'm going to link it up so you guys can go watch it. It was a DIY video on how I did this table. So I actually got this table from my old house, but then it was not like this. I had to DIY it to make it, black and have this gold touch on it. So this is my office workspace, and then I have just like few collectibles on it. So this is to relieve stress, it's like, I don't know what it's called, but it relieves stress. So I just keep it on my table so that when I'm sending out those emails or doing some research, I could just play with it. And this is a Rubik's cube, but it's not a regular Rubik's cube. I got this as a gift too from some kids in my Kingdom Hall, and I think it's just amazing. I'm stuck here. I don't know what the next step is, but I really love this on my table because I love emojis, so why not have it on my table? And then this fake plant of course, is from my old house. If you watched my old room makeover, you're gonna see that I bought that in that video, and it was definitely lower than $5, way lower than $5. Now that plant, funny story, I got it from a wedding. So you know how after weddings, like, they get rid of some stuff they use for the reception? Yeah, so I picked that plant, the fake plant, and brought it home, and now it's on my table. Going up, you can see these 3 mirrors. I'm obsessed with mirrors, if you can't tell yet. But I got these 3 mirrors from what's it called, Dollar Tree, for just $1 each. Yes, I got these mirrors from Dollar Tree for just $1 each. And something about it just gives the whole wall, just brings it out, make it pop. So I got it in those 2 colors, black and white, because those are the only 2 colors I think they had available. So I just mix match to them. So when I'm working on mine, sitting down on the table working, I could just look up and be like, damn, I'm a fine girl. Or I could just look up and be like, I need to go sleep. Either of the two. Coming up, we have my weekly planner, which is what I use more often to plan my week. Don't try to read because you'll probably not understand anything except do not eat out and you got this. So yeah, everything else you probably would understand. But that's my weekly planner. I got it from Ross for $12. Yeah, I got it from Ross for $12, which is really nice, and it's helping me plan my week. I like the fact that the boxes are big and not small like this one. So this one actually helps me, actually plan my week and see it because it's big. And then to the side of the planner, we have those 2 frames with the 2 emojis. Again, I got the frames from Dollar Tree, so the frames are like $1 each, and then the emoji thingy was actually, it's a paint paint paper. So it comes in, let me show you how it comes. I'm going to like clip this video and then show you how it comes. But then the emoji thing I actually got as a gift too, so I'm supposed to paint on it, but I decided why not just frame it because it's black and white and I love emojis. So that's it. I got the frame for $1 at Dollar Tree, and then the emojis were a gift. Yeah, lots of things in my room actually came as a gift. And then that's writing, if not now, when? When you want to procrastinate something, why not just do it now? I like the fact that it's there, so that when I'm planning my week and I'm like, no, let me do this next week, I just look up, if not now, when? And then okay, let me just do it this week. So I got that from Shein for about $3 or so. Now moving on, I have a window right here. It's nice that it's there, but the only disadvantage is that there's a tree blocking it, so proper lighting doesn't really come to my room, which is kind of annoying. But that's why I got these daylight bulbs. They are LED, by the way, so they save energy and they are very long lasting. Now on this side, which you guys have seen from most of my videos, is my wall of fame for my hats. Again, I have an obsession with hats. This is not all of my hats. I have some of them in my dresser, but then this is the wall for my hat. I wanted to make it look like it was okay. What I had in mind was a forest, but like a tree that branches out into hats. But then yeah, that didn't work out, so that's just what I have there. But I think it's still nice, you know, the touch of green in the black and white room. Coming down there, I have my shoe rack. This shoe rack, if you watched my room makeover video again, you're going to notice that it's from my old house. And I try to keep the shoes on the rack a particular theme. It's just black and white shoes and, you know, one nude shoe. You know, because my room is black and white. God, I sound horrible. Like, I'm horrible at this type of things. But since my room is black and white, I decided to have other shoes which I do not keep here. But I decided to keep my black and white shoes on this one, you know, so that it matches my room theme. At this point, I should stop saying, you know, because I feel like I say it too much. On this side is, you know, shoes that I wear when I'm going to the store. And yeah, that's the only yellow thing that's around. Just a pop of color wouldn't hurt. So I just kept that one there. And then this is my work shoe and my not so work shoe. Now moving on to the other side of the bed is the other drawer that's on the other side of the bed. So I got these frames from Dollar Tree also. So each of these frames are $1. Then I got this cute little fluffy sheep as a gift too. So in these frames I have pictures of my family. That's me and my mom. I love that picture. That's me and my dad. I was so cute. That's me. Don't laugh. That's my sisters. They're twins. Yeah, you know how twins be doing. But anywho, that's my family. The only person missing there is my brother, because I just realized I actually never had a hard copy picture of him. But I'll probably print out a picture of him from my phone and, you know, add it here. It's just a good motivation to look at every morning and be like, why am I even trying to survive? Then you're like, oh, that's why, because of them. So this is my room. It's pretty basic and it doesn't, this room actually didn't, it took me 6 months to put up together actually, but then it came out, it was a really cheap price if you ask me. Like most of the things here are from Dollar Tree or from Shein, and it didn't cost me that much to put together. Let me know what your thoughts on this room is and if you actually like it, and if you like to get decor from Dollar Tree or Shein. But then this is my room. Now let me show you my closet. You saw it in my last video. It's a walk-in closet, but at that point in time it was empty. So this is my closet. I hate the fact it has the yellow bulb. I've been trying to change it, but then the screw, and then I'm so short, so none of my chairs is going to, like, you know, get me there. But then this is my closet. It's really close. That I have bags which I don't use up there. Then my dresses are on this side, my sweatshirts are on this side, my laundry basket is here, and then underneath it it's a box of shoes. There's another box of shoes right there. And then here I just keep my hair ties. You're probably going to remember this from my room makeover video. Yeah, I put that in my closet now. So this is what my closet looks like. I'm definitely going to make a video on me getting rid of half of this stuff, because to be honest, I didn't even wear them. Oh, I keep my wigs on my door here, which I don't even wear either. And then, you know, the bags I take often when I'm going out. But yeah, this is my room tour. I'm proud to say that I did not spend a lot of money on this room. The only two expensive things in this room is my bed frame, which cost $75, and then this duvet, which I know I wasted money on, because I actually thought it was going to be better than actually what came. I got it for $42. I thought it was going to come with, you know, a throw pillow, bed sheets. Yeah, it came in pillowcases, but like I feel like that's a waste of money because I didn't want to return it. So yeah, the only two expensive things in my room are the bed frame and this, which together would cost like $150. Everything else, like this decoration I got from Dollar Tree. So let's count. $1, $2, $3. Those 3 mirrors, $4, $5, $6 plus $12. That's like $20. Then plus $5, like 25. Everything else I got from my old house. So hey, I just did my room for way cheaper than 200 bucks. Let me know what you think about this room in the comment section. And no, you can't come visit me and stay with me because I know you're asking. So don't forget to believe in yourself, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye. No.